Hello guys, this is Friedrich.
Voice assistant at the ready. Main program has commenced. Input thread is running.
I just started my software solution for lesson 13 and here you can see a little bit view of the
Color
code.
changed to white.
Obviously it already recognized the colors. You see it's a little bit longer because I included some code which enables me to change spoken numbers into numeric values. And now I show you what I can do with that. If I say a color, like okay, here we are. You can see this red LED, it's blinking, and the blinking speed is proportional to the brightness of the white LED. In that case, if I change the color, blue, blue,
Color changed to blue.
green,
Color changed to green.
red,
Color changed to red.
magenta,
Color changed to magenta.
cyan,
Color changed to cyan.
black,
Color changed to black.
white,
Color changed to white.
50,
Brightness changed to 50.
25,
Brightness changed to 25.
green,
Color changed to green.
12,
Brightness changed to 12.
6,
Brightness changed to 6.
blue,
Color changed to blue.
3,
Brightness changed to 3.
quit, quit.
Program terminated. Program shuts down. Bye-bye.
Okay, that's all folks. Thanks for watching.